How to save your Snapchat picture to gallery. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to save your Snapchat pictures to your phone's gallery or camera roll in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your phone. First, unlock your phone and locate the Snapchat app. Step 2. Open Snapchat. Tap on the Snapchat app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Step 3. Go to Memories. Once Snapchat opens, swipe up from the camera screen or tap the Memories icon to open your saved snaps. Step 4. Select the picture. Find the photo you want to save and tap on it to open it. Step 5. Download the picture. From the menu, tap Export Snap or Save to Camera Roll/Download, depending on your device and Snapchat version. Step 6. Check your gallery. Now, open your phone's gallery or Photos/Camera Roll app. You'll see that your Snapchat picture has been saved successfully. And that's it. That's how you can save any Snapchat picture to your gallery or camera roll. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.